What is included in an HVAC tune-up? This is one of the most common questions homeowners across the Lower Eastern Shore ask when scheduling seasonal maintenance for their heating and cooling system. An HVAC tune-up is a detailed inspection and cleaning process designed to improve efficiency and prevent breakdowns. It typically includes tightening electrical connections, testing voltage and safety controls, cleaning the outdoor condenser coil, inspecting and cleaning the indoor evaporator coil, and clearing the condensate drain line and drip pan. Technicians also check refrigerant levels and test overall system performance to ensure everything is operating within manufacturer specifications. On the Lower Eastern Shore, especially in areas like Salisbury, Maryland, HVAC systems run long hours during humid summers and cold winter nights. Dirt buildup, moisture, and heavy use increase wear on components. Regular tune-ups help maintain airflow, protect key parts, and reduce the risk of breakdowns during peak heating and cooling seasons. If you want to protect your system, lower energy bills, and avoid unexpected repairs, connect with Coastal Comfort Heating and Air Conditioning today to schedule your HVAC tune-up and keep your system running at peak performance year-round.